we have Zorro, very bright dog I'm training, mini doodle. But as you see, he's wearing a diaper, having some issues with potty training in the owner's new house. So we got to teach him boundaries. We got to let him know how to go to the bathroom by ringing the bell, as opposed to peeing in his diaper. Wearing a diaper for a dog, all we're doing is encouraging to pee inside, running the risk of a high infection, as opposed to teaching him the right way and in his new place to use the bathroom. Right? You have a dog. I'm assuming you don't want to have a diaper on him, so this is going to be your last diaper ever, Zorro. And I rip this thing off you. Yep, and it's got pee in there. See? Nasty.